Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator, and now we are going to discuss the part B questions of trigonometry. Okay, so very important questions these are. So, super 20 questions we are going to discuss. So, you also try to solve the questions along with me. Okay, pause the video, solve the question. If any doubt, you will play the video and then you will see the explanation. Okay, so the very first question is here. All these, as you know, each question carries 1 mark. The value of sine 30 plus cos 30 minus sine 60 plus cos 60 is what? First of all, what is the value of sine 30? We know sine values. I already gave you the trick also how to learn. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. These are the values of sine. Cos, reverse of it. Okay, so sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 30 will be reverse, so root 3 by 2 minus sine 60 will be root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 will be 1 by 2. So if you see, this is 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2, just open the brackets. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 cancel, and the final answer is 0. So option B is correct. Next question. If sine theta is a by b, then what is cos theta? Okay, so what is given to you? Sine theta is a by b. So since these are part B questions, you don't have to write each and every step. You can directly do it in the rough work column. Okay, so you don't have to take a, k, b, k. So the constant you don't have to take. Just take it as a and b. Then hypotenuse will be a square minus b square. Okay, so what is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So b by root over b square, a square minus b square. Where is it? One second, one second, one second. So here there is a problem. So here sine theta is a by b. I have taken it as tan theta. So I'm so sorry. So a is the opposite side, b is the hypotenuse. I have taken b as the adjacent side. I'm so sorry for that. So this will be root over hypotenuse square minus adjacent side square. Okay. So cos theta is nothing but adjacent side. Adjacent side is root over b square minus a square divided by hypotenuse is b. One more trick which you can, by just looking at the options, how can you answer this question? So the trick is, here you see, we know sine theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse values are same. So here you have b. So wherever you have b, that will be your option. Okay, in most of the cases, this is the option. Okay, so you don't have to solve. You can directly choose it also. If A is an acute angle of a triangle, okay, suppose if I have a triangle, if A is acute angle of a right angle triangle B, so B is right angled, then the value of, let this be C, then the value of sine A plus cos A. What is sine A plus cos A? Will be equal to 1 or greater than 1 or less than 1 or equal to 2. Sine A plus cos A, what will it be? So see here, what is sine A? Sin A will be equal to opposite side BC by adjacent side, hypotenuse AC. Now cos A will be equal to adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC. So sin A plus cos A they want. So sin A plus cos A is nothing but BC by AC plus AB by AC. So AC is common in the denominator. So numerator is BC plus AB. So what is BC plus AB? See, in triangle you have learned that sum of any two sides. If I take sum of any two sides, that is always greater than the third side. Did we learn this property of triangle in your lower classes? Yes. So sum of these two sides should be greater than the third side, which means numerator is greater than denominator. So whenever numerator is greater than denominator, this fraction will be greater than 1. So the option is greater than 1. Okay, this is one method which I am giving you to solve. Okay, the other method is you can simply convert. So this is sin A plus cos A. You can write this as sin A plus cos. This I can write as 90 minus C. Okay, so this is sin A plus cos C. Cos 90 minus C is sin C. Sin A plus sin C will always be greater than 1. So these two angles, sum of these two angles will be greater than 1. If you have any confusion with this complementary angles method, you can simply go with the method which I gave you right now. Okay, simply understand that numerator will be greater than denominator. That means the fraction will be greater than 1. Okay. So max, there is no one method which you need to follow. There can be multiple ways to solve a single question. Okay, I'm just suggesting you one of the ways. Now here in this question, if tan theta equal to cot theta, then the value of secant theta. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. For which value tan and cot are equal? You know tan 45 is 1. Cot 45 is also 1. So for the angle 1, they are equal. So what is secant 45? For angle 45, the values is 1 and 1. So the angle should be definitely 45, isn't it? What is secant 45 now? Secant 45 will be C. Reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Secant 45 will be simple root 2. Okay. This is again one of the method I am telling you. Okay. So you can do it in another method also. I'm trying to choose the easiest method because these are part B questions. You should take less time to solve these questions. Next question. So this is find the value of 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. Your textbook question. So 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. So it will be 1 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 by 3. So that is 2 by root 3 whole divided by 4 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3. This 4 by 3 will reciprocal if it goes to the numerator. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are, root 3 one time, root 3 times. So root 3 by 2. What did I get the value? 1 second. Root 3 by 2, there is no such value here. Let me just check what I have done. So 2 times 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. So 2 1 times 2 2 times. Yes, what is root 3 by 2 value? Root 3 by 2 is either sine 60 or cos 30. Okay, so let's check where it is. Sine 60 or cos 30. Cos 30 is not there, you have sine 60. So answer is option A. Next question, sine theta minus cos theta is 0. So can I write sine theta equal to cos theta? Transposing cos theta to the other side. Now for which value sine theta and cos theta are equal? You know for theta equal to 45 degrees, sine and cos are 1 by root 2. So now find the value of sine power 4 theta plus cos raised to the power 4 theta. So it is sine power 4 45. Theta is 45, isn't it? Cos power 4 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 whole power 4 plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 whole power 4. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Okay, so this I can write it as 1 by root 2 whole power 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2 whole square of this. So 1 by root 2 whole square, this is nothing but 1 by 2 and you have a square. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Understood people? Next question. If secant theta plus tan theta is P, then what is tan theta? So this model question we have done in the previous essay questions yesterday's class, I think. So secant theta plus tan theta is P. We know secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. I explained you why to take this identity. So in yesterday's class, clear explanation was given regarding this. So since it is part B, I am just taking the steps directly. Okay, so a square minus b square formula it is, so a plus b into a minus b. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta is p. So secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. So secant theta minus tan theta will be equal to 1 by p. Actually, this step you can write directly. Okay, so this is nothing but, see here. Secant theta plus tan theta equals to p is one equation. Secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by p is the other equation. Plus tan theta minus tan theta cancel. So 2 secant theta equal to p plus 1 by p. So secant theta will be equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. Now here they asked you tan theta value. To save your time, what you can do is, because secant theta is not asked, they are directly asking you tan theta. So to save the time, so this is one equation and the other equation is secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by p. So what I can do is, I want tan theta value, so I will simply subtract the equation. Subtracting, secant theta gets cancelled. So you will have 2 tan theta equals to p minus 1 by p. So 2 tan theta is nothing but p square minus 1 by p, or tan theta will be equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. Okay, so where is the option? Option D. I will share these questions in the form of a test for you in Math Facilitator website. So do attempt the questions again. Okay, try to do it by yourself. And if you have any doubts, I will share these notes also on the website. So you can open the notes, click it and check it and see where you are doing the mistake. Okay, so two ways you can use the website. Okay. So now see 5 cosecant square theta minus 5 cot square theta. We know there is an identity with cosecant square and cot square. Now here 5 is also common. So taking common, 5 cosecant square minus cot square is what? 5 times cosecant square minus cot square is 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Next question. If cos theta plus cos square theta is 1, then you need to find the value of sine square theta plus sine power 4 theta. Let me take what is given. So cos theta plus cos square theta is 1. So can I write cos theta is nothing but sending cos square theta to the other side. It is 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, you know it is sine square theta. But I want sine power 4 theta value also. So let me square on both the sides. So squaring on both the sides, you will have cos square theta equals to sine square theta whole square means sine power 4 theta. Okay, so I got sine power 4 theta value as cos square theta. Now here you should use our brain a little. What we need to find? Sine square theta plus sine power 4 theta. So to this value, see, sine square theta I am writing as it is because sine power 4 theta I got it as cos square theta. So substituting sine square plus cos square will give me 1. Okay, so that's why I am not converting sine square. Okay, sine power 4 value I am substituting. Clear people? So important question. Next, if tan theta is expressed in terms of sine theta, how will you express it? So you know tan theta is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, but you want to express in terms of sine theta only. So sine theta numerator, I will keep it as it is. Okay, so divided by cos theta, I can write as 1 minus sine square theta. We know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. How can you do so fast, children? When you have more practice only, you will immediately get to your mind what identity you need to use and what form of identity you need to use. See, this identity directly I cannot use. I should know what is cos theta. Cos theta is root of 1 minus sine square theta. From where did I get this? From the same identity. Okay, so how am I doing this? By practice. So if you practice more and more questions only, you will be able to save your time and do it quickly in the exam. So do practice more. Okay. Now see 1 plus tan square theta. We know secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So 1 plus tan square theta means immediately you should be able to understand it is nothing but secant square theta. So this is nothing but secant square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta into 1 plus sine theta I have. So if I multiply this, it will be secant square theta plus secant square theta into sine theta. Okay. So this is secant square theta plus secant square theta is nothing but 1 by cos square theta into sine theta. Okay. So here this is also, I can write this as 1 by cos square theta plus 1 sine theta by cos square theta. So this is nothing but, see, denominator is same cos square theta, numerator is 1 plus sine theta. But cos square theta I can write it as, see here, 1 plus sine theta divided by cos square theta I can write as 1 minus sine square theta. Yesterday we have done essay questions which are really important. If you see, those steps we are repeating here. The same step we got in yesterday's session. So those who did not see, please watch yesterday's session. There I gave you complete explanation. Very slowly I taught you which identity to use, when to use. Okay, so this is in the form of a square minus b square. So I can write it as a plus b. Yesterday we have done this into a minus b. So I told you 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta gets cancelled. So the answer is 1 by 1 minus sin theta. So option C is correct. Okay, by just looking at none of these, everyone will be tempted to just click on that option, or not clicking actually, you don't have online exam. No? So just writing, taking the option D, but option D is not correct. Option C is correct because you need to simplify it furthermore. Okay, see the next question. If sine 45 means 1 by root 2, tan 45 means 1, minus cos x is 1. Then you need to find the value of tan x. Tan x, to find the value of tan x, first I should know what is x. Okay, and x is less than 90, which means it could be any angle. So let's see what angle. So here, what is the answer I am getting? See, 1 by root 2 plus 1 minus 1. Take 1 to this side and cos x to the other side. So cos x will become positive, 1 will become negative. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So cos x equal to 1 by root 2. So cos x, for which value of cos will you get 1 by root 2? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, isn't it? So x will be 45. So if x is 45, what is tan x? Tan x is nothing but tan 45. Tan 45, yes, tan 45 is 1. Here actually the question they are giving you the angles, which is wrong. Tan x can never be equal to any angle. Tan x should be equal to some value. So here Abyasa Deepika question is wrong. This should be, see, x is 45 degree will be correct answer. Tan x will be 1. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Next question. Same model question yesterday we have done. Do you remember? So see, whenever I told you, whenever you get a question of this type, what will you do? Simply rationalize the denominator. So denominator is 1 plus cos theta. So you will multiply and divide by, denominator is 1 minus cos theta. So you will multiply and divide by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so doing this, what am I getting? Numerator is 1 plus cos theta whole square. This is same question yesterday what we have done. Denominator is 1 minus cos square theta. So that is equal to root 1 plus cos theta whole square. Denominator will be sin square theta. Now both the squares get cancelled and you will have 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So this is 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So what is the correct option? Option B. All these questions you need to do by yourself also after the class. Okay. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is P, then what is cos theta? Do you remember? Same question we have done yesterday also, but in form of essay question. So cosecant theta minus cot theta will be 1 by P. So I am writing the step directly here. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is P, we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So which means this is nothing but cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. So cosecant theta plus cot theta is P into cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1. So cosecant theta minus cot theta value will be this. Okay. Now we need to solve both. So cosecant theta plus cot theta is P. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is 1 by P. Which value I want? Cos theta value I want. So here I have no option. I am just cutting cosecant theta. So 2 cosecant theta equals to P plus 1 by P, or I can simply write cosecant theta is nothing but P square plus 1 by 2P. Okay, what is sin theta then? Sin theta will be P square, sorry, sin theta will be reciprocal of this. So what is that reciprocal means? 2P by P square plus 1. So from here I said you can use Pythagoras theorem method or you can use the other method also, which I'm going to tell you now. Okay, yesterday we discussed this. So now if substituting sin theta in any one equation, see cosecant theta value if I substitute, so cosecant theta is P square plus 1 by 2P, and I have cot theta equal to 1 by P. So cot theta is nothing but P square plus 1 by 2P minus 1 by P. So here what is the answer you can get? So LCM will be 2P and this will be how much? 1 second. So it is p square plus 1 by 2p and equals to 1 by p. 1 second. Let us take the first one. So that what happens is if you take the first one, 1 by p doesn't come and your fraction will become easier. Okay, solution will become easier actually. So you can solve it easily. Yes. So instead of taking it in the second equation, because second equation has 1 by p fraction. So I'm taking it in the first equation only. First equation is what is given to you. So cosecant theta is p square plus 1 by 2p plus cot theta equals to p. So you have p square plus 1 by 2p minus 1 second. I want cot theta value. So cot theta, I will keep it on LHS only. And this term p square plus 1 by 2p I am transposing to RHS. So it will become total minus. So it is 2p square minus p square minus 1 by 2p. So the final answer will be p square minus 1 by 2p. So what is this? This is nothing but cot theta. But we know that cot theta is nothing but cos upon sine. So cos theta value will be equal to cot theta into sin theta. You don't worry, such lengthy questions will not be asked for objective. In Abyasa Deepika it is given. Yesterday we discussed this as essay question if you remember. So cos theta will be equal to how much? Cot theta is p square minus 1 by 2p. Sin theta is 2p by p square plus 1. So 2p cancel. So cos theta will be p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Yesterday this was proved that question. P square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Today we are discussing it as part B, but you will not get it as part B. In part B, if you get this question also, they will ask you to find either cot theta or cosecant theta, but not cos theta. If they are asking cos theta, then the steps will be lengthy. Okay, if they are asking only cosecant theta or cot theta, it will stop, it will end here only. Okay, so then you can expect for part B. Next question, tan theta is 3 by 4. So if tan theta is 3 by 4, here it's always good to learn Pythagorean triplet. So what is Pythagorean triplet? See here. Tan is given as 3 by 4. So this is 3 is opposite side, 4 is adjacent side, 5 will be hypotenuse. Okay, 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triplet. Okay, then what is sin theta? 3 by 5. Cos theta? 4 by 5. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So 25 will be common, 16 minus 9 will be simple, 7 by 25. Okay, now see the next one. Sin A is 1 by 2. So sin 1 by root 2. So for what value of sin will you get 1 by root 2? For sin 45, isn't it? So angle A will be definitely equal to 45. So if angle A is 45, what is tan A? It is nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So option B is correct. Sin 90 minus A. Okay, sin 90 minus A is cos 45. What is sin 90 minus theta? It is cos theta, isn't it? So this is nothing but cos A is cos 45, which means angle A is simple 45. Okay, so questions like this only you will get in the part B. Don't worry. Now secant theta. Secant theta is what? You very clearly know that just now also I discussed identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So secant square theta will be 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so secant theta will be root of 1 plus tan square theta. Is there any option like this? Root of 1 minus cos square theta, root of 1 minus tan square theta. It has to be 1 plus tan square theta here. Then option B is correct. 1 by 1 minus sin square theta. So this could be also correct. Let's see. So this is root of 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sin square theta by cos square theta. So that is equal to root of, if you take LCM, this is cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. So sin square theta by cos square plus sin square is 1 by cos square. So that is equal to root 1 by sin 1 by cos square Cos square, I can write it as 1 minus sine square. Clear, people? Cos square, I can write it as 1 minus sine square. Okay, I hope this is visible to you. Okay, so option C is correct. If sine 90 minus 2a, see, we know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine 90 minus 2a is cos 2a. So cos 2a is cos 90, which means 2a is 90. So a is 90 by 2, 45. So what is tan a? Tan a is nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So option A is correct. Next question. Sin theta by cos theta is 1. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta is 1. For which value of tan will you get 1? For tan 45 you will get 1, isn't it? So theta is 45. So if theta is 45, what is secant theta? Secant theta means secant 45. Secant 45 is nothing but reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So secant 45 is only root 2. Okay. So these are super 20 questions which are given in your Abyasa Deepika, and I hope all the questions are super clear for you. So I'm bringing more and more videos for you because your exams are very near. So I'm trying to give you only the most important questions required. So do share the channel with all your friends, subscribe, like, and also comment and let me know what else support you want from the channel. Okay, so keep loving, keep supporting. Bye bye, take care.